Mrs. Martha, we've run the tests. It's lung cancer, stage 1. With treatment, there is hope, but we must begin immediately.
Cancer? Oh Lord.
Doctor, just tell us the treatment plan quickly. I have to get back to the office.
It won't be quick, Mr. Joseph. This requires patience, care, and your mother will need emotional support as much as medicine.
Emotional support? Joseph.
Yes. What? Now? Fine, I'm coming.
Even here. He listens to the world before me.
Mother, I have to leave now. The office needs me urgently. We'll talk later.
Leave me? After hearing this news?
Please, don't make it harder. Mary will take care at home. I can't miss this call.
Not a word of comfort. Not even one from the child I carried through storms. A mother once was the shelter. Now she is only a shadow. No voice, no choice, no hand to hold.
What's going on here? Why is everyone packing up?
Sir, the bank officers came this morning. They sealed the accounts. The office is no longer under your control.
What nonsense are you saying?
It's true, sir. Because of the unpaid loans and delay in installments, the bank has taken over. We are bankrupt.
Bankrupt, gone, everything gone. Bills. Fees. Medicines. Her cancer. And Mary, her brands, her dresses, her useless shopping, everything eating me alive. I took loans to keep her happy, to match her rich taste, and now? Nothing. Nothing left. My mind, it's going to explode, too many voices, too many weights. Ooh God. What should I do now? It's a huge amount, how am I supposed to handle this? Who will help me in this disaster? Mary, this is all because of you, your greed, your rich dreams. I sold my peace to buy your wishes.
Joseph, dinner is ready. Come and eat.
I'm not hungry.
You haven't eaten all day. Sit down, at least take a little.
I said I don't want it, Mary.
Why are you shouting? What is wrong with you?
Wrong? Everything is wrong. The office is gone, bankrupt. And mother, she has cancer. Do you hear me? Cancer.
And you're blaming me for this?
Yes. Because of your shopping, your parties, your endless demands. I drowned in loans to please you. Now I've lost everything.
So all your failures are my fault.
You've ruined us, Mary. You.
It's all right, eat. Don't be afraid.
Joseph, if this is all because of me, let me fix it. My offer is still valid. My father will repay everything. He has a lot. We just need to go to him and ask for forgiveness. He will help us. David also promised me that he will help us in convincing Dad.
Your father? After all, what had happened before, and David, why is he helping us all of a sudden?
Yes, we will go to him, ask for help. You and I, we can start fresh. He's my father. He cannot stay angry forever. Trust me, once we ask, he'll open his doors again. Everything will be fine.
Maybe you are right. Maybe he can save us. And mother? What about her? She's sick, she needs me, she needs treatment and care.
Always your mother. Why not send her to the old home? There she will get treatment, care, even the company of people like her. It will be good for her recovery.
Send her away? Old home.
Just for some time, as for now we can't manage her care, Joseph. While we fix everything with my father, we cannot risk our plan because of her. What if my father refuses upon seeing her? Later, when life is better, we can bring her back.
So it seems the only solution, it's the demand of the current situation. What can we do? I have to convince my mother. She will understand my situation.
Joseph, just think, if we send her to the old home, she'll have treatment and company. It's better for everyone.
Send mother away. But
Only for a while, until my father forgives us and helps us. Then, when life is better, we can bring her back.
So this is my fate. To leave my home, my children, my little angels. Memories to hold, but no hands to hold me. Abandoned in the evening of my life.
mother, I know you're upset. But you must understand me. Everything is falling apart, the office, the loans, the bills, the children's fees, and now, your illness. I am helpless. I can't carry all this weight anymore. I have to find a way, even if it means hard decisions. Please, don't make it more difficult for me. Mother, I decided to move into Mary's father's house because he can only help me this time, that we will return once everything is settled. The old home is best for you at this moment. They will take care of you and your illness.
Joseph, take care of yourself and the children. I will miss you all, every moment. But if you can bring them to me sometimes, even for a little while, that will be enough. Also, don't worry about me. I will be fine there. I understand you, son.
It is done, David. Joseph's little business is gone. The bank owns it now.
Perfect. We didn't even touch him directly. Just put our investment through a third party and he collapsed like a house of cards.
Good. But I want more. He must feel the shame we felt.
And your daughter made it so easy. At the mall, I showed her the cars, the brands, the life she gave up. And you know how much Mary loves money. She is greedy enough to sell her own husband's pride.
That weakness makes her useful. She will drag Joseph to us herself.
She must be convincing him already. Foolish girl. She doesn't even realize she's the bait.
Joseph thought stealing my daughter was love. Soon he will see it was his greatest mistake.
Yes, we will show him what humiliation truly is, just like the day he showed me. On my wedding day, in front of everyone, she ran away with him. They laughed at me, mocked me. That shame still burns. Now it's my turn. Joseph will beg, and Mary will watch and fall.
To revenge David, let us finish what began that night.
This is for you, my dear. Just a book, to keep you company. And this is for you, a wooden toy. I kept it safe all these years. Don't cry. A grandmother's blessings go with you, wherever you are. I want you to be happy forever. Remember this.
We are here, Mother.
My little angels, it's time to go now. But promise me that you will visit, okay? God bless you, my son. Take care of yourself. I wish you happiness and success wherever you are. Just be happy, my dear son.
Don't worry, Grandma. Don't be sad. One day, we'll leave Papa and Mama here with you when they are old. Then you won't be alone. Right, Harry?
Enough. Stop this nonsense. Get in the car.